Black Friday is the smartest time to look after your car and wallet. Here's the best way to get the most of Black Friday with Euro Car Parts. When you buy this Castrol oil, Euro Car Parts will throw in this Crossland oil filter as well. It's one of the best times to tick off a really important job of servicing your engine. In my opinion, it's one of the best offers on Black Friday today. There's great offers on brakes at the moment, so if you've had an advisory on your MOT or if you can hear any squealing or squeaking, now is the perfect time to replace them. Winter can be really hard on batteries, and Euro Car Parts have got great deals on batteries at the moment. I've just picked up this Lion battery. Visibility is really important this winter, and at the moment Euro Car Parts have 25% off screen wash. And if you buy 2 of them online, you get a further 10% off, so it's a great time to stock up. And it is a good idea in this colder weather to swap to a low temperature screen wash like this one. There's loads of offers on car cleaning stuff, so now's a great time to stock up on these top brands. This Black Friday, don't get sucked into buying things you don't need. Spend smart with Euro Car Parts, grab the deals that look after your car and wallet. Hurry though, offer end dates do vary and this is all subject to availability.